Alright guys, it's been raining out here. Maulan po sa Pilipinas. So I ordered a 1/16 scale figures para sa ating 1/16 RC tank. Okay, this is from like an online shop that we have here in the Philippines. And let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I'm hoping it is legit. I'm still unsure if it's legit or not, but we'll see. Tignan natin. So buksan na natin. So ito na, moment of truth. Totoo kaya? Product name, assembly resin model, manufacturer master, University Potion Technology. So it's basically a Chinese brand. Tignan natin yung quality. Let's check the quality. So unassembled siya, unpainted. Ganda ng details. Kailangan i-cut off, but it's okay. Yes. Buksan na natin. Sana wala akong mawala. So ayan, dalawa. And I bought this for just around 500 Philippine peso. Dalawang figures na siya. So ayan yung bodies. Dalawa po yung kasama. Two for one purchase. Tapos yung ito yung mga ulo nila. Okay, mukhang accurate dun sa description. And it's very detailed, guys. I like it. Arms. Ito fixed to. May separate na hand. Ito yung isang arm. So siguro depende sa dikit mo, no? Pwede kaya ay baliktad. Ba siya? So ito yung isang option. Okay May isang option ka pa dito. Merong binoculars. 1, 2. Ano to? Isa pang arm. Ayun, apat yung arm. So kompleto naman. Tapos mayroon na siyang 2 hands. Tapos another extra hand na may binocular. So option mo siguro. This I'm not sure para saan. Tignan ko yung picture. Ganda ng details So siguro ganito to. Yun, one option. And then isang kamay. Pwedeng ganito. Pwede rin ito. So it's really your choice. Paano gusto mong combination. Ito dito ito malamang. Ayun. Tapos dito. Okay, pwede rin to. Okay, I like it. Ito lang, di ko alam para saan. But that's it, guys. That's the unboxing. Okay, so observation so far, not that big of a deal for me. But if if you're someone who's into detail, you'll see the issue here. Oh, ito complete eh. Ito hindi. Parang flat siya. So basically, I will be asking for a refund or kahit partial refund. Kasi it's not what I paid for eh. But it's cheap, so still I can use this. Pag napinturahan na to, hindi na halata yan. We'll see. Kasi there's a chance na I might need to cut this up maybe here, as high as here. So, hindi na rin siya masyadong halata. Kasi ilalagay ko siya sa ating 1/16 RC10. Tapos, ito pa, another issue I noticed. So, ito okay, di ba? May kung anong headset man to. Siguro dito yung speaker nila, right microphone. Microphone, I mean. Problema dito sa isa. So, okay naman yung left side. Pagdating sa likod, nawala siya. Dito, wala talaga. So, medyo pangit siya. Well, you can get away with a paint, diba? You can just draw a line, a black line. That's what I'll do. Para hindi siya halata. Hindi siya ma-obvious. Although sayang, mas okay kung ganito. Yung halata mo yung details na nakaangat siya. Ito, kailangan pa natin dayain. But again, it's okay for what it's worth. I will be asking for a refund though. Para dun sa imperfections. Dito sa mga arms so far, wala naman akong napansin na. Mga ganito lang, which we can send. Okay lang yan. Pero so far, okay naman yung iba. I don't see any problems on the other piece. Alright, so that's it. That's my review, unboxing, and review so far for this kit. Unsure with the brand, but it's a Chinese manufacturer from an online app locally here in the Philippines. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in today.